100% pure durian ice cream, seedless frozen durian, fresh durian's pulps. Separate durian flesh from seed and put into a container. The texture is sticky and hard to remove durian meat from the seed. Cover up and put in the freezer for 1 hour to harden. After about 1 hour in freezer, the durian meat is not so sticky and easier to be removed from the seed. You can press a bit to save space. "100% durian puree paste." Store in freezer for at least several hours. After a few hours in freezer, 100% pure durian ice cream. Simply seedless frozen durian. The texture is like ice cream. Taste sweet, creamy and delicious. One of the best pure and natural frozen dessert. Ingredients: only fresh durian pulps.
Yummy.
The remaining durian meat on the seeds can be eaten as well. No wastage of tasty durian.